Hello everyone. This channel is how built how I built a Django project. I created almost create I'm actually creating a client portal system using Django, and my current platform is Python Anywhere, but I'm going to deploy the system onto AWS soon. And if I finish deployment, I'm gonna um, find people who could use my system, and for that reason I am now promoting the my system. I called it I call it clip client portal system clip. And so I'm gonna talk about in this channel. I'm gonna talk about how I built the system and what was my problems to be solved, like that. So I hope you enjoy my this channel, and if you are interested in my product clip, please check it out. I'm gonna put my URL at the bottom of this channel, so please do that. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.